Unboxing. Open the cover of the packaging box. The packaging box contains the following contents: product overview, function button. You can perform Bluetooth authorization or device reset through this function button. Activate your dashcam. For the first-time use, please activate the dashcam using the DDPAI app. Please scan the QR code or search for DDPAI in Google Play Store or App Store to download the DDPAI app. Insert the memory card into the card slot. Peel off the lens protective film and power on the dashcam. Turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone. Then launch the DDPAI app and tap Device. Add a device. Select the current device name in the detected Bluetooth device list. Press the function button on the dashcam to authorize. Your dashcam is ready to use.
Hello, DDPAI.